Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming hardware and preparing the system. Check GPU power connectors and receipt the card. Loose seating can trigger code 43. Once done, boot into safe mode so Windows won't load problematic drivers, and open Device Manager to confirm the error. Make a restore point now and download the latest GPU driver package from the manufacturer. This upfront work prevents wasted steps and allows you to roll back if a driver update makes things worse. You perform a clean driver cycle to remove corrupted files. Run the in safe mode to fully uninstall GPU drivers and any vendor utilities. This clears registry remnants that cause code 43. Once removed, install the manufacturer's driver. If the latest fails, try the prior stable release because new builds sometimes break hardware detection. Make sure to update motherboard BIOS and GPU vBIOS when recommended. Firmware fixes can resolve device enumeration and power management bugs that produce the error. You finish by isolating whether this is software or hardware. Swap the GPU into another PC or use onboard graphics to confirm failure. If it works elsewhere, Windows or power delivery is the culprit. Reset power settings to default, reinstall drivers cleanly, and test under load. If code 43 persists and vendor diagnostics show faults, prepare for RMA document serials and test results. Troubleshooting tip: if intermittent, check PSU rail voltages and PCIe power cable.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.